In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage purchase orders with Shopify. We'll be walking through each step of the process to ensure you can efficiently navigate the platform and manage your store's inventory with ease. Whether you're a new Shopify user or just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide will help you understand the core functions necessary for managing purchase orders. Remember, keeping your inventory well organized and up to date is crucial for the smooth operation of your online store. First, let's start by navigating to the Shopify dashboard. Open your web browser and go to your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, direct yourself to the homepage of your store. You should see a menu on the left-hand side, which is your navigation hub for all things related to managing your online business. From here, we'll take the next steps to manage your product inventory. The next step is to click on the Products tab in this sidebar menu. Clicking this will take you to the main page for all your product listings. This section lets you manage everything related to the physical and digital goods you offer, from setting up new items to managing existing ones. Make sure you're comfortable here, as it's a place you'll visit frequently as you manage your store. After you've accessed the products page, the next thing you need to do is click on Purchase Orders. This is where you maintain the back-end aspects of getting your products ready for customers. Purchase orders help you track the quantities you want to receive and from which suppliers, keeping you organized and ready to fulfill your customer demands effectively. Once you're in the Purchase Order section, you will want to click on Create Purchase Order. This button is the starting point for adding a new order to your system. Creating a purchase order allows you to specify the details of the inventory you're ordering from your suppliers, which is an essential part of inventory management. After you've input all the necessary information for your purchase order, the final step is to click on Save. By saving your purchase order, you're ensuring that all details are recorded and accessible for future reference. This also allows you to track the status of your orders, helping you stay on top of when inventory is expected to arrive. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to manage purchase orders using Shopify. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to handle inventory management, ensuring your customers receive their products promptly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.